Okay, so you're starting a campaign and you want to find keywords to build your ad groups around. Let's dive right in. So let's use this example. Will be a limousine company in Philadelphia. Limousine company. We'll start with our root keyword. Get started. Download all these. I don't recommend that right now. I like to do it manually. I guess there's several different ways you can do it. And here's going to be all your keywords that Google is suggesting. So what we're going to do is take the root keyword. So this is going to be its own ad group right here. Words with an ad group with Philadelphia. So Philadelphia Limousine Company. So that's one ad group. So we'll take all the keywords down here. Limousine companies. That's going to be under that ad group. Limousine service, that's its own ad group. Limousine service near me, that goes under this ad group. Limo service. So airport limo service, that's its own ad group. You kind of see what I'm doing here? You're taking themes and you're going to be breaking them up into their own ad groups. And how you're going to do this too is you're going to have Google Sheets or an Excel doc open, and each column you'll do the root keyword. So for this ad group, Philadelphia Limousine Company, it will only have keywords in it, in this ad group, with the word Philadelphia Limousine or Company. And the same with limousine service, limo service near me. You kind of get what I'm doing here. All the ad groups are going to be tightly themed keywords.